Hello guys, another video from my car. As every Friday on this channel, not that much about Laravel, but more about career and productivity and business and stuff like that. And today I want you to relax. As I'm shooting this video just a few days before heading out to Laravel Live UK in London, I realized that it's already half year. It's already June of 2024. I'm not sure if you're into goal setting and that mindset as much as I am, but I noticed that people often set like goals and resolutions in January and are motivated to crush in that upcoming year, but they rarely do retrospective looking back. So I want you to kind of think about your 2024 so far and what have you achieved. Even if you haven't set any specific goals or milestones or anything like that, how the year has been so far. Are you satisfied? Should you push for more results, or maybe the other way around? Slow down a little because you feel kind of on the edge of burnout. Summer in general is quite a good time to relax, zoom out, and think about things, because quite often in the routine of daily work, we don't think from kind of 10,000 feet view. We're thinking day to day as a routine set of tasks. And actually, speaking about the goals, I'm a big person for productivity goals and stuff like that. I'm reading about that a lot, but I don't set all of that in stone. Usually in the beginning of the year, I kind of plan what I want to achieve, but usually over that year, things change. And in 2024, for me, it was a big example. So in January, I set up to learn and teach Python as a language, and I started separate channel, Python ML Daily, separate blog, separate kind of whole ecosystem with the goal for the year to start making money from Python by the end of the year. But unfortunately, after 3 months of hard work on that, I realized that the engagement from my audience isn't anywhere near that I planned, or maybe a better word is I wished. I was kind of betting on the idea that my current audience of Laravel developers and PHP developers would love to learn Python with me and switch and maybe add the skills of machine learning and AI and stuff like that, and I would personally enjoy that as well, both learning and teaching and doing that for upcoming years. But all of my content there, YouTube, tweets, and articles, kind of capped at around 100 people per piece of content, and it's not that little. 100 people is fine, but it wasn't growing. So I've kind of hit the ceiling, and then at some point had to rethink the strategy. Do I really want to do that for upcoming years? Because the journey appeared to be much harder than I expected. For many reasons, mostly because Python ecosystem of content is already so saturated, and my audience isn't the best target for that. So in around March or April, I had to rethink the whole strategy after a few months of hard work on Python, and had to switch my goal from Python to something else, and I decided to get back to more familiar and more kind of home Filament ecosystem. Got back to Filament Daily YouTube channel, more content on Filament, participating in the official Discord and stuff like that, and I'm enjoying it so far. So I kind of rethought my goal for 2024 to double down on Filament and see how much I can achieve there, both in terms of engagement, growth, and also eventually making money from that. So yeah, this is my story as of June 2024 of recap of my year in terms of big goals, but I want you to think about yours, like more global big goals in 2024. Are you on track to achieve them, or are you making progress in your career in general? Take some time, take a day, take a weekend, take one evening, just take a walk with your thoughts and discuss with yourself, how's it going so far in 2024? And if you want to share your thoughts, your goals, and your progress, or just ask about goals, share all of that in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.